Hey traders, this is William from Bearable Traders, and I'm going to give you a peek into today's trading review session. This trading review session was really interesting. What we do multiple times a week is, as a team, as a group, as a community, we get together and we allow everyone to share trades that they want to, and we talk about it, we give insight, we give feedback, and we all try to learn together. And I did something fun today. John Q, a member who's learned a lot from BBT and has been trading for 9 months, shared a trade that looked so interesting. So we have a lot of new members in our chat room and new traders, so I had a fun idea for them. I asked only traders that have been trading 3 months or less to tell me insight and ideas that they see within John Q's trade. I knew exactly what I saw, but I wanted them to learn I wanted them to share what they saw, and then have John Q, the trader who made an awesome trade on it, give feedback if that's what he saw or if that's not what he saw, and give feedback on the trade idea. And then I would kind of be the moderator for all this, and a lot of new traders gave their idea. They talked about it. We had a really fun group discussion that morphed into something really interesting that I want to share with you. And this is a benefit to joining a chat room like us. You don't get to do that on your own. You don't get to do that when you're trading by yourself, and that's a very valuable and interesting thing. So take a peek in here. And again, if you like videos like this, please subscribe, because I want to make more like this, because I want to share this stuff. It's actually really fun. So take a peek here. All right, John Q, don't say anything about your trade. Traders, if you've been trading for under 3 months, try to tell me. So if you've been trading over 3 months, don't say anything. If you've been trading under 3 months, try to tell me a strategy based on the markers you see that you think John Q might have done on this. Ooh, this will be fun. Okay, 15-minute orb from SKRS. John Q, if you can answer. John, was this a 15-minute orb? Okay. Vicky. Vicky says MA cross, and I'm thinking it's looking at the MA on the 2 and the 5. John, was this an MA cross play? And John, what color is the view app? Is that red? Is it red or blue? I'm guessing red, but okay, it's the blue dashed. I've never seen it dashed before. Okay. So John Q says it's partially part of the moving average cross. Hold on, John, don't say anything else. I'm going to try to do this methodically. So Vicky, partially. ADJ, he's saying view app. So John, I'm guessing he's saying because it's losing view app is my guess. It's under view app, losing view app. John, does that part of it? Had already lost view app, okay? Now, did that play a part because it was under view app? You wanted a short idea built into that? Okay, got it. So it was under view app, so yes. So if that's what you meant, ADJ, 100%. James says 50 moving average resistance on the 2 and broke through view app. So those, John, was the combination of those two things something that was interesting to you? Yes, okay, interesting. See, we're getting there. And then Jennifer would go short. Red MA rejection. I'm not sure what that means, Vicky. Red MA rejection, because it looks like it's breaking through the red MA, not rejecting it. But maybe I'm just misreading what you're saying. Ferris says broke the descending triangle. Ooh, that's what I was waiting for if anyone wanted to go there. Did you see a descending triangle on the 2-minute chart at all? John Q? Ah, wait, the 3 yeses. I think the 3 yeses means that was the primary indicator. Is that correct, John Q? Oh, well, you shouldn't have said that. I mean, it's so clearly. Now, John, we have to be honest, though. Did the volume... Okay, the volume, unless it went down and came back up, which it could have done on a 2-minute chart, honestly. You know, I've seen it a million times. At what point was this volume spike so high that you got in at? Because no way it was like you saw this and you got in. Of course not. Where was it? I'm going to say like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. Something like that. Oh, you saw it on the tape with stacks of orders. Ah, interesting. Okay, so he saw the volume on the tape. Break of the 2544 level. Okay, so I don't think was a 2544 level. John Q, was that something you noted or not? Okay, so, and then John, how long have you been trading for? Oh, no, John Q. 9 months live. Oh, so that's not, let's put it that way. Seemingly you're way ahead of where I was after 9 months when I was like in 2 years, man. This is one thing that actually makes me happy. We try to do a good job at BBT, and we know that a lot of people have hard times. You know, we can't guarantee success for anyone, and that can always happen. You know, no one can stop that from happening. No one can guarantee your trading success. No one can lead you to make smart decisions, but we can try to be honest and do a whole lot of stuff to help you read the charts and follow your rules and learn actual patterns, pattern recognitions, and how to read the tape and how to use ViewApp and create ideas like the harmonious chart, the wedges, the neckline, psychology, and then you guys can choose to incorporate what you want. And in this trade, I have no idea what John Q got from us or from other places. I honestly don't, but wherever he got it, he used many different things. And so Jennifer, I kind of started this whole thing for you to see how new people would read the chart. So a lot of the newer traders, they had one thing, and some of you were right. Some of you were saying things that maybe were right, but he didn't note, like this 15-minute. Someone said a 5-minute engulfing. John saw multiple things on multiple time frames and things not on the time frame and the volume. So that's what I mean, where there's a whole lot more going on than a simple pattern recognition. Sometimes simple pattern recognition works, but when you get those simple pattern recognition with other things happening, whether you realize it or not in the trade, it's under ViewApp, it's under the 50, and it's got a descending triangle, and it has this 5-minute candle right here with a shooting star near the top of a trend, and it breaks, and it's in a 15-minute new low, and it's got the harmonious chart underneath with all the overhead resistance above. And then he sees stacked orders and the volumes start to pour in. It's like, well, who is going to be long here? I will guarantee you there's only one trader that's going to be long. And that's it. Well, there's two. Either a brand new trader who has no idea what they're doing, or a trader that's so long biased and they've been wrong on this trade. And they're micro-managing the 1 minute or smaller, the price action, hoping for a bounce that's never going to come. Those are the only two traders that are going to be going long there.